Hey everyone, haven't seen y'all since last year.
Bana, that's exactly what you said the last time we had a release right after New Year's.
Well, I guess I found our new New Year's resolution. Write better jokes.
Actually, I found my own resolution. Find a new co-host.
Well, look no further, Rippy. I'm back.
I'm only leaving because I want to, not because you told me to.
Guys, let's just talk about the new improvements in 2.4.2. Control charts have become their own chart type. Control charts are a great way to better understand the cause and effect relationship between improvement efforts and performance. Create averages, upper and lower limits, and rules to notify people when there's a signal that the system has changed and is worth investigating or worth understanding.
You can now also view threshold charts in Bowling View and vice versa. System administrators can now configure default digest or subscription times for new users.
In the People section, be on the lookout for new filter options, which can also be added as column headers. User administrators can now also change people's default board via bulk change. If you're interested in what you saw today and want to learn more, be sure to sign up for our next Training Team Office Hours webinar on January 30th, where we'll take a deeper look into control charts.
With Mark Graven.
Spoilers, Bana.
Whoa. To check out all of our webinars over this past year, head over to kainexus.com/webinars/office hours. In the meantime, if you have any questions or need assistance with configuration of these features, please reach out to your KaiNexus customer experience representative. Also, we definitely encourage you to check out the 2.4.2 release support page at support.kainexus.com. I'm Adam Darnell.
Bana.
Whoa.
I guess I really am Matt, aren't I? All right, go ahead.
I'm Ryan Rippey. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you kind of next time.